Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in and do a super quick little tutorial. I know a few of you were asking the question earlier, Sam, how do I take a screenshot while we were live? So really quickly, I'm only going to be able to show you PC because that's what I use. If you're a Mac user, maybe ask someone else in the group who is a Mac user. We might even get Karis to do a quick little screenshot for you guys if need be, because I know she uses Mac, but I'm just going to show you the PC version of this really quickly. So the first thing I want to do, I'm just going to share screen with you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Where are we here? Share screen. Okay. So that's the page we want. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my business page here so you can see. So the first thing is if you want to take just a screenshot all by itself, here's what I do. I cheat. But I literally just go to the little Windows button down the bottom left here and I type in snip and up comes the snipping tool. And I just click on that and quite literally go new and you'll see this little cross appears and I do that. And then you can either save it, so you can just go into file and save if you want to, or if you're trying to put it into a post, I just hit copy and then I go and place it wherever I want to put it, paste it in. It's that easy. So you're literally looking for the snip tool. If you're on PC, so the snip tool, you go up here to new, you grab whatever it is that you want to grab, and then you just go to copy, and now I can just paste it wherever I want it to go, or of course I can save that if I want to. So that is the first thing I wanted to show you. The second thing I wanted to show you was how to create a draft. So if you're in your business page, I'll just do that again because I didn't describe that as I went. I'm trying to be really quick for all of you because I know you've got places to be. So what I do is I go to Creator Studio. Most of you now should have that, but I am fully aware that some people still are using publishing tools. So if that's you and you're using Publisher, that's where you want to go. But if you've got Creator Studio on your left-hand side here, when you go to manage your page, that's where you want to go. Now, when you go into Creator Studio, just click on that. I'll show you what you see next. You'll get the option to, if you go into create a post, if I go to create a post here, I'll get the option to make my post a draft. So what I'll do, I'll just give you guys I'll just create a little random demo so you can see here, but I just go in, type in my text, and you can add an image or a video, whatever you want to do. And then down the bottom here, you can see an option where it says share now. We're going to drop that down and we're going to change it to save draft and literally hit save draft. And then what you can do is if you go to your content library, which is the next thing down on the left-hand side here, you'll be able to go across the top. You'll be able to see drafts. So if we click on drafts, it's going to give me all my saved drafts. I love to save things in draft examples because it gives you stuff to use later. And you can see the one I just created is here. You can see I didn't attach an image or anything to it. So what you can do is if you want to view any of your drafts and see how they appear to people if you go and post them, as you go across, you'll see a little dot. Just click that little dot and you'll see an option to preview the post. So click on that. And here's our post example. This is how it will appear. You can see because this particular post doesn't have very much text with it at all, we don't have the see more, which is perfect. It means anyone scrolling through their feed can read all the text that goes with it. So my snipping tool happens to still be open. I just bring it back up. I click on new. I grab a screenshot of my post, and now I can just copy that and I can pop it straight in as an example post in the group. So let's have a little bit of a look. Here's you guys looking at me right now. So if I go into the group itself, I'll show you what you guys need to do next. So we're going to go into, hang on, Sam, stop talking for a sec. Okay, so we're going to go in here. We are going to go down to the post I put in, which is day 2 challenge post. You should be able to see that appearing in the group here. So there's day 1 challenge. If you go into guides, so we go to guides, you'll see everything for day 2 will be sitting in guides. So if we go to guides, you'll see day 2's here. Here's day 2 challenge sitting there ready, waiting for you. And all you need to do is comment on that post. And I'm just going to go paste. And in goes my example post. So it'll appear in a sec. There it is there. So I just hit enter and I've now posted my example post in the comments. I've taken a screenshot. I saved it as a draft so you can see it as a post. I've taken a screenshot and I've pasted it in. So guys, that is all you need to do to create your sample post for today's challenge. So go in there, give that a little bit of a go, and I hope that helps. I'm just going to check because I'm out of here now. So I'm just going to check if you guys have asked any questions as we're going through that. But just a quick little reminder as well, we're going to be going live at 2. I'm going to duck off and quickly have something to eat, and then we're going to come back at 2 o'clock and we're going to do a quick little live Canva walkthrough. So I'll catch up with you guys then. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Can't wait to see your post examples. So we'll see you at 2 o'clock.